Hi, I'm Olivia. Today's topic is the negative form of the verb to be. The verb to be is used a lot in English, so let's find out how to use the negative form. Where am I from? Do you know? That's right, I'm from London. I'm British. I'm not French. Look, there's Paul. Paul is from Paris. He's French. He's not American. What about my job? What do I do? Do you know? I'm a teacher. I'm not a student. Do you know when to use the negative form of to be? I'll give you some time to think. You use the negative form of to be when you want to say the opposite of an affirmative sentence. You use the negative form for something that is not true. You can also use it to correct information. Let's look at the last example. I'm a teacher is an affirmative sentence, and I'm not a student is a negative sentence. Did you notice how the negative sentence with the verb to be is made? As you can see, to change an affirmative sentence to a negative one, we add not after the verb to be. We add not after am, are, or is. Let's look at how we use not with to be. I am not becomes I'm not. You are not becomes you're not. He, she, it is not becomes he, she, it isn't. We are not becomes we aren't. You are not becomes you aren't. And they are not becomes they aren't. We use the short form or contracted form for speaking. Let's look at some examples. I'm not from Scotland. She isn't hungry. We aren't Spanish. They aren't late. Now you can use the negative form of to be in the present tense. Today we reviewed when we use the negative form of to be. How do you make negative sentences with the verb to be? And how to use the short form. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!